I am Sophia, working as fleet manager, and it is not so easy job for us to manage more than 500 vehicles with existing tracking software.
We were continuously paying much more for every new vehicle we added. It was so frustrated.
And still our business was dependent on third party, which was red flag for us.
One of the biggest issues was data security. Our data was under the control of third party.
And also, we were compromising for customization. We were completely trapped in a matrix where lots of things are just happening without our consent.
But now everything is fine with FleetStack. We got everything on a single platform like a divine gift for us.
The best part of the Fleet Stack is that it can be deployed on our own server, which changed the entire game.
Whether it's cost, customization, white label, or data security. We manage everything ourselves with full ownership and control.
Now everything is simple, secure, and cost-controlled.
For us, FleetStack means the easiest one. Now we are actually running our business.